guys, welcome back to my channel. Say Akuda Wano. Nyla's really focused on her godmother right now. But anyways guys, welcome back to our channel, Akuda Wano. So we're gonna start off this video by jumping in and opening a little package that I got from a company called Jamaican Care Package. If you guys don't know about Jamaican Care Package, you guys need to get on, because exactly what it says is what it means, okay? So anyways, what they do is they basically send you snacks from Jamaica if you're living overseas and you know you're having home withdrawals, and a lot of countries actually don't have some of the snacks that you can get in Jamaica. Yeah, because up here in Canada, we get some of the snacks that you can get in Jamaica. Like I know we can get the St. Mary banana chip. It's in the drawer in the washroom. Yeah, the second drawer I think. You can get like Maggie season, but you get like the little ones. Some of the biscuits you can't get. It's very minimal stuff that you can get up here. So with this company, what they do is they send you a little care package if you're having withdrawals and missing snacks in Jamaica, and send it to you. So I'm gonna show you guys. Now, where are you going? Where'd you go? So we're about to open it. Watch everybody come on. Ziggy's here waiting to see what snacks in there. We got Chantel. So we're gonna open it right now and show you guys. I also have a discount code if you guys are interested in trying this out. This is my second one from them. The last one went so quick. Shout out to this one. But we're gonna show you guys what's in it. Oh, let me touch it. Yeah. So this is what it is, guys. Jamaican Care Package.
This one's smaller than the first one.
Yeah, the first one was huge. I got a big box in the first one, but it's okay. A big box. I had like Tiggas, smoothies, hash, tamarind. What?
Oh, you see Ziggy. Oh, you see nothing, Ziggy.
And you guys can see they pack it like it's well packed properly.
I don't know that.
Time to open the box. Watch them.
I want them here. Oh, the blow up. Go, Bobby.
What is it?
Bobby's chocolate. Peanut in the middle.
Oh, I actually love these crackers.
Cheesies, watch out, see real. The popcorn. The chippies. Oh my god, I love these.
Oh my god, I love these. Duplex. Your mom told me they should pick the bag.
What's that?
This is the ish right here.
Vanilla. There's vanilla.
There's no chocolate?
There's no chocolate.
Here's Bigfoot, Ziggy.
Nay. You can't eat cheese chicks.
Oh.
Baby can eat cheese.
So this is everything that I got, guys. Duplex.
Oh my god, there's so much Bobby in here. It's a...
Oh yeah, so guys, this is their information right here if you guys are interested in trying them out. As well as I'll also link my coupon code so you guys can get a little discount.
Oh, I like that.
Nala's like, yes. Ooh.
I like what it says.
Oh yeah, they sent a little story.
Let me make sure it says.
This is everything that I got. The last time I got like Tiggas and all this stuff. Cash, Tiggas, what else did I get? I don't remember. Chippies.
Banana chips.
Yes, everything I just got. So guys, I'm actually on their website showing you guys from my my computer. So they have like a starter packs, they have different categories, they have care packages, you can customize your own, they have daily deals. So these are like some of their best sellers, like Bigfoot, Tiggas, I forgot this the red ballers. This is Shauna's favorite, and the prices are really reasonable. And they also have bun, and if you live in Canada, bun can be really expensive, and this is like the real deal right here. And then these are like some of the package that they have already made, so you guys can see, and the prices are really good. You guys also do get 15% off your order if you use the code NewbieFam. I'll link the code on the screen. What else do they have? Look, tasty cheese. Look how cheap. I mean, it looks like the small tin, but still, like, that is not bad, because cheese up in Canada is really, really expensive. Yeah, they have red striped sorrel and they have the lime. That's what I meant to say. And they also have rum cream, and the prices are not bad at all. Really, really good. So make sure you guys check them out. If you're craving some back home goodies, this is your place to go, guys. Literally, I'm placing my order right now, about to get some stuff. Get some Lasco so I could try Nyla on it. But yeah, I'll link their description. Oh look, they even have seasoning. For those of you who are always looking for Maggi seasoning and can't get it in your country, they have it here too. But definitely check out the description box down below for the direct link to their website and also the coupon code. I got a 50% coupon code just for you guys, so make sure you check it out. Can you guys just take in how Nyla is fighting the chips? Give me it. Dirty. She's literally fighting me for the chips. Watch this. Thank you. Thank you. Sure. She's about to go take her evening bath. Hello. Go, you show your titty. You show your titty. So guys, we have mosquitoes in our house right now, and Ramon is here vacuuming them. But like, I don't know. We don't even know if they're coming back out right now, but he's so into it too. We're trying. He's taking his face. Like, he's actually so into it. Like, he's looking at
You should watch it.
This is bad girl. Watch her. Unruly. Unruly in our bling blingers. Unruly in our bling blingers. Got little Lyra. Lyra's tired.
Hello, good morning. Buddha dope. Welcome back to a brand new video. So we're there in the morning at touching on the walk. You know what I mean? So we're there on the Brampton side. I go paint out one of the place and I show you where I go on. So if you want to work in Toronto here and I look, somebody if you deal with you, you can link up. In general, I put the name and everything right on there. It's FNL. You know? So I don't know anything go. So we're there on the road and now we are going to one place. Sunrise Restaurant. You know? Yeah, that. Very easy, that's all. Oh, so see the Sunrise
Yeah, friend, no.
Caribbean food, you know?
Yeah, friend, no kind of. One of them in Instagram,
so remember upon the prank the which part Nisha and I said, I forgot to call Freddy. If you ask Freddy how you went there, this is Freddy. On the father probably know him still, because I probably see him passing at a place or something. But anyway, we are going to paint off on basement and something. I show you how I go on still. You know? I show you any work done how the place look official. So if you know if you deal with, and just go link it thing on the bottom, the company name and number and everything, and you can link him up same speed. Anyhow. So as I try to say, I have a little friend in Jamaica which I want to help out now week. I'm see them put up on Facebook which part they have cancer, you know, and want as much help as we can get, you know, because you don't know, you know, everybody I try to fight cancer, and cancer can take over a world star. So I say, so I look out for a little help same way. I put up the GoFundMe account and see what we can do down. Yeah man, because I'm not trying to help is a help. $1, $2, $3, $4 is still count an idea. You see me I say whether you're a ton of pronouns or something. You know. Yeah. I say so I'm listening right and I say I don't know where you come from this morning till the seed. So yeah, that's what I say. So I link you out back. I put on my seatbelt because I don't want to go tell myself put on my seatbelt. We just go up on the road and now see that. So look come home. I'm not coming back. See you pre. But it up. So if you're new here, please subscribe to each channel. Touch a little notification bell there. You know? So you get every notification as some upload. Look come home. Yeah, so this is the whole process. Yeah man. So the place kind of have all the things because some other work I do down the same way. But anyhow, this is the whole thing. So we mud the whole thing already. You're supposed to know the thing set already. You know? But it's like somebody else when you get the work and then kind of F up in our way. So we have to come back over it. We have to go take out them the swelling and something. So we are going to sand down the whole of this from right round all the way back over there, so you see me? So this is the first phase for here. We have a sand down the whole of this and then just prime it. So I show you how I go and sit, you know, but upstairs done already. I give you a preview of the place upstairs same way, and now we do it all upstairs same way, but
Upstairs, the final coat right now.
you know, yeah man, so
You just have to touch up. You have to touch up on it still and clean, you know?
1 tree. So alright, this basement soon check in back with you now again. Yeah, so I know I already have my dust mask and I thought the gunners. Yeah, Pepe. Oh, you can mash up his side now. So I gotta jump on here now. So I'll jump on here and start use a 120. See them? Yeah man. So and remember you look, so and we check in back and see difference, you see pre. Yeah man, so see, so this is our process, you know. Make sure you get out all of them line here. A lot of them bump there. Yeah. Make sure I'm smooth so when the paint, you know, see none of the little lump them now at all in it. Dirty work them, man, so now if you know, you know. Dirty work. Yeah, so see there? Rub, see there? So him stay after. Rub him down and everything smooth down the wall. So you don't have no little edges or no bumping or nothing. Wow, real smooth, you know. So now we just add some primer to the wall. Primer to the wall. It's not gonna look white, you know, you just a first coat this over it. You know? Prime out them things. You know what I mean? So those part of the settings that, you know. And you'll get the last finishing coat now, you see the wall.
Second stage.
You know? So first stage, well, this is the third stage. First stage, I already put on this, the mud. Second, sand him down. Third, prime. You know? So I don't know anything, but I eat that. Show me when we finish, you know? Alright, adios. So guys, see? Now we're completely finished. So this is just prime. So when the paint go on here now, it's like way more brighter. You know? That man, see general finish over here. So. But other than that, all over here, so come right back to here, so done completely. So you say, real man. This part I walk up here, so ceiling work. Remember me I tell you, and them a pain. Yeah man, so adios.
Show, okay? Watch how excited she gets. She gets so excited she doesn't know what to do. Look at her face. This is word party. Not doing it.
The babies are having fun outside today, playing hide.
6-month update. Nyla is her 68 centimeters long. She weighs 15.4 pounds, and her big head is 44.5 centimeters. And she's growing healthy. And she's about to get her 6-month shots. And she's just ruining the place. Once upon a time, she just laid here. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're about to hate me in a couple of minutes, but it's okay. Mommy got the titties.
Easiest if I come from this angle. Is it okay if I?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's perfect actually. If you do it like that, that's perfect. Okay, all ready? So cleaning first. Try to let that dry a minute.
Fatty, 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 fatty.
Should be ready.
Big laugh
Okay,
in.
ready, Mama? Little poke. 3, 2, 1.
Hi, Fatty.
Well done.
Wow. Oh my.
How do you do it?
Say it's the Jamaican in me. Yes, Mama.
Very
Strong
good.
girl.
Does she never cry or something?
The first
I think she did.
the
last
first time
too,
she
right?
cried, and then the fourth one she kind of, the first one she didn't, but the second one she kind of did.
There's one that hurts quite a bit more.
Yeah, that was the second. Yeah.
And this one's the one that doesn't hurt so much.
See, look how
Yeah.
much strong.
But she
girl.
did amazing.
That's her 6-month update.
Girl's like paying me. She's paying me no mind right now. Nyla. Nyla, are you mad at me? Are you mad at me? It's not me who's supposed to get these shots. Hello? Are you mad at me? That is no smile. She's not having it. But we're just a nice little evening stroll. It's really nice outside. What? Are you mad? Nyla. Yep, she's over me.
It's not even a.
Baby.
Nyla chilling with she got mommy. So anyways, we about to peel some jackfruit. Jackfruit in container. So we do get jackfruit. Don't they sell the big the actual jackfruit, not like this though, right?
Watch Nyla.
Yeah, but we got Keisha bought piece. But my dad's making some shrimp. Let me show you guys while I'm going in a pot. Okay, you know Chef Mike's always cooking some. And there was lobster, but I already had the lobster. So just like the lobster claw and fingers and toes and things. I'm just joking, but he's making some pepper curry shrimp right now for me to the spoon for some. But yeah, guys. For my GTA peeps, my GTA subscribers, just letting you know that my dad does do catering. So, you know, if you guys are interested in having any baby shower, any type of events, wedding, anything coming up, he does do catering. He's certified. He has his food handlers and all that stuff. Just reach out to me with my email or my social media. He does have an email as well, but just reach out to me and I'll deliver the message to him and we can hook you guys up. And you guys are gonna get a Simply Niche discount, okay? 10%.
This is pepper shrimp.
Yeah, I told him pepper shrimp. Be on the camera more because you love it. Because the other night.
If I need that kind of support, that would bring me to the camera more. Because I'm very shy.
Doesn't he have a nice smile? Guys, smile like a daddy. Smile
I
like
can't
a
smile. I don't like smile. I don't like to smile.
But yeah, he's literally always in the kitchen, Chef Mike. So that's his name, Chef Mike. Look,
That
oh
is-
my God, Andrew's fish.
That's a maybe. That's a maybe.
Or maybe still.
Yeah.
But you're flinging your spit on me.
What are you doing? Watermouth.
Nyla, here.
Hey.
Here. She actually will take it.
There's not enough to share.
Yeah, we're here pulling out some jackfruit. When I was pregnant, oh my God, jackfruit was the ish. This is Polly's favorite, jackfruit. She will sit there literally, cock up on veranda, just peeling it on and eating it.
But all I say is,
Probably know the thing.
what with the
One
gloves?
hand in gloves.
What with the gloves?
But it's just one hand.
She gave me one. I don't know why.
Why are you? Just use oil after, no?
Yeah, cause it's sticky.
A bit.
Big up everybody who have a jackfruit tree in their yard. I used to have a jackfruit tree. I want to hear a comment from everyone from Jamaica or any other Caribbean island that has a jackfruit tree in their yard
What's that? You have to say the naman.
and the country. You see me?
Naman. That's your thing.
You're
That's your...
serious enough, man. You're serious enough, brother. You see, when it comes to cooking, it is so much fun. It's like therapy, you know, brother. Just relaxing and thing. I mean, that's my element, you know, sir.
Yeah, but then every time you cook, you get so full off the smell you never eat.
Me never say me love to yam my food. Me say me love to cook my food. And watch people eat it and enjoy themselves.
That's the truth.